Seumersteel is a professional in transportation and assembling of large and heavy industrial equipment, as well as in custom escort. Our founders are Dutch holding Mammoet and Russian Stelkonstrukcija, which have been working in the field of steelworks installation for over 70 years, and was awarded by the Order of the Red Banner of Labor of the USSR. The cooperation of Mammoet and Stelkonstrukcija started with the development of the technology and the unique mounting of the roof at the large sport arena Luzhniki, when the aim was assembled internal roof lines weighed 1.7 thousand tons and to live to the height of 47 meters. The project implementation was highly appraised by the Moscow government. Seumersteel was established in 1998 as a result of the cooperation in the Luzhniki project with an authorized capital of about $2 million. Today, the company has 50 employees and more than 30 lifting and transportation units produced by the top international manufacturers. Highly qualified specialists who were trained abroad maintain the equipment. At the same time, Seumersteel can use the unique equipment from the extensive park of his Dutch parent Mammoet, the largest in the world corporation with a car fleet of about 550 units, of total carrying capacity of 160,000 tons, 1,400 employees and branch offices in 23 countries in Europe, Asia and America. In Russia, Mammoet became a well-known and gained a good name after implementation of unique technology project, which of nuclear submarine Kursk sank in the Barents Sea. More than 100 specialists were given the State Awards of Russia. At the meeting with the participants of the salvage operation, President Putin, emphasizing a fantastic, unbelievable operation, noted that Kursk was the first nuclear cruiser among 200 sinker subs of different countries which had been lifted. Today, only Seumersteel provides a full set of services, includes transportation and assembly of large and heavy equipment. One company carries out the entire job of transportation and assembly, which both time and cost saving. We assemble and transport heavy equipment within the all natural and climatic zones, from the far north to the desert of Middle Asia and Caucasian mountains. Seumersteel has successfully implemented many projects throughout Russia. Among these projects, the basic is transportation of a 1,000-ton reactor from St. Petersburg to Perm for a local company. Such a big reactor had never been transported in Russia before. Together with Panalpina company, 14 laboratory models for Caspian pipeline consortium when transported. The main difficulty to carry out this job was high lengths on the way. In cooperation with the Moscow government, the drilling tunnel machine to build Lefortovsky tunnel at the Moscow 3rd Ring Road was assembled by 2 cranes working simultaneously. The basic works for Seumersteel, a project which is not so unique. Seumersteel is actively cooperating with industrial companies, seller operators, buildings and food companies. For instance, in the workshops of the Khrushchev Research and Production Center in the heavy machining facilities, we built without interrupting of production cycle. For beer brewing companies Baltica and FS, we transported and assembled tanks of over 6 meters in diameter. More than a half of cellar towers of MTC and B-line were assembled by Seumersteel equipment. 5 years passed after foundation of Seumersteel. The park of rolling stock has increased by 4 times and the range of services has grown in 50 times. When such a Hercules as a Seumersteel entered the construction and assembling market, which were not even being thought earlier, absolute safety of transported or assembled equipment is hardly valued by our clients. Today, there are not such challenges in the field of transportation and assembly of large and heavy equipment that Seumersteel can't face.